Science has been around for thousands of years, and in that time, it has transformed the world in countless ways. From our earliest attempts to understand the natural world to the incredible technological advances of the modern era, the history of science is a rich and fascinating story. Part 1: Ancient Science. The roots of modern science can be traced back to ancient civilizations like Greece, China, and India. These societies made significant contributions to the fields of astronomy, mathematics, and medicine. For example, the Greeks were the first to propose that the Earth was round and to develop a system of logic and reasoning. Part 2: The Scientific Revolution. In the 16th and 17th centuries, a period known as the Scientific Revolution, a new approach to science emerged. Scientists like Galileo Galilei, Isaac Newton, and Johannes Kepler challenged the traditional ways of understanding the natural world and developed new theories and methods for investigation. This period marked a turning point in the history of science and laid the foundation for modern science. Part 3: The Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, brought about significant changes to science and technology. Machines began to replace manual labor, and new inventions like the steam engine and telegraph transformed communication and transportation. The growth of science and technology during this period set the stage for the incredible technological advancements of the modern era. Part 4: Modern Science and Technology. In the 20th and 21st centuries, science and technology have advanced at an incredible pace. We've explored space, developed computers and the internet, and made significant progress in the fields of medicine and genetics. Science has also become increasingly interdisciplinary, with researchers from different fields collaborating to solve complex problems. Part 5: Future of Science. As we look to the future, there are many exciting developments on the horizon. From renewable energy to artificial intelligence, science and technology will play a crucial role in shaping our world. However, there are also challenges to overcome, such as climate change and the ethical implications of emerging technologies. Conclusion: The history of science is a story of curiosity, exploration, and discovery. From our earliest attempts to understand the natural world to the incredible technological advancements of the modern era, science has transformed our world in countless ways. As we look to the future, science and technology will continue to play a vital role in shaping our world and improving the lives of people around the globe.